monster. Alright, what's going on, guys? So as you can see, I got a drone. Stepped into the FPV drone world. I actually did a little test flight this morning, trying to get comfortable with the app and how the drone flies and all that. Trying to get a sunrise video and see how the camera records and how stable it is and how the GPS return to home function works and all that. And it's pretty darn impressive. It's pretty stable. This drone it's $300 to $400 from what I've seen online, but I snagged it on the Prime Day sale for about 160. So pretty good score, and comes with a 4K camera. It records in 2K when you don't have a SD card, but it records right to your phone. So you don't need an SD card, but to get the better video, I'm probably gonna get one of those at some point, or get a few of them. Comes with 2 batteries, so total 70-minute flight time. So that's what, 35 minutes per pack, which is plenty. I mean, I could record a storm coming in or something. And testing out my new microphones now. These are pretty cool. You can search through, I mean, that particular brand, these were pretty high rated. That's what I do when I go to Amazon. I'll go through, shop around and go through what's the highest rated, fastest delivery, and lowest price, and pretty much narrow it down from there. So it comes with all these little bits. I'm trying out one of these now on this mic, and I imagine those work better for outdoors, but it comes with a nice little pouch and all the goodies for the drone. And these instructions, they're kind of weird. It has a mode in here, attitude mode, where you can lock out the GPS mode if you can't find a signal, or if you're flying indoors. But it also says indoor flying is forbidden, so it's it's kind of weird. But got a cool landing pad for it. It's double-sided. It's got day and night time, so the blue side has like reflective stuff on it, so you can see where you're landing. But the GPS function shouldn't be a problem. It's just extra. And got some new wheels for the Granite. I put the new ones on the rear and rotated the rears to the front, so the next ones to blow out should be these. And just took that for a quick driveway rip and made sure everything was good. So I'll have that back out here shortly, hopefully this weekend. And I gotta set up, I gotta figure out a way to measure and mark 100, I believe it's 100 feet for Dr. Jet's 2S boat challenge. I think I'm gonna jump in that and just put my boat in the water, so to speak, and see what happens. But yeah, this drone, I'm actually seeing it has waypoint functions, follow me functions, so I might be able to do some solo chase footage. I don't know, we'll see. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.